All right, let's tackle a super common Excel headache, broken conditional formatting. You know how it goes. You make one simple rule, and suddenly your manager is a total mess.
So what's going on here? Why does this keep happening?
Well, there are three main culprits. It's all about copying, deleting, and pasting data.
Okay, first things first, we've got to see how bad the damage really is. So head to the Rules Manager and just change the view to this worksheet. You're looking for red flags, right? Things like duplicate formulas or totally broken ranges.
All right, once you see the problem, it's time to fix it. We've got 3 different approaches.
First up is what I call the surgical fix. This is for when it's only a little messy. It's pretty simple. Find the one good rule, fix its range, and then just delete the copies. Level 2. If the mess is just in one column, the Format Painter is your new best friend. Just delete the broken rules, then double-click the Format Painter to copy the good one everywhere. And for Level 3, when your sheet is crazy slow, it's time for the nuclear option.
Here's the key. Copy your formula, clear all the rules, and then reapply just one.
So, which one should you use? This chart breaks it down for you based on your situation.
Of course, fixing things is great, but you know what's better? Preventing the problem entirely. So here's the real long-term fix. Use Excel tables. They anchor your rules so they don't break.
And another huge thing is your habits. The #1 cause is just a regular copy-paste. So, from now on, get used to using paste values. It only pastes the data, not the formatting.
See? If you build these habits, your workbooks will stay clean, fast, and stable. Okay, so your formatting is finally clean. But it begs the question, what else is slowing down your files?